So we're out with the Avios Mig-17 Fresco once again. Now I've still got the stock servos, haven't had a crash thanks to them, so hopefully if we're really lucky they'll just work on going. The nose gear spring mod, best thing ever. This thing just lands perfectly every single time, so it's just flying fantastic. Still haven't repaired the nose after its second flight ever cartwheel. The Afterburner is awesome. It's like a sunny, bright sunny day and you still see it from any distance. It's like so bright.
Throttle active. Have you
so ready to take off.
25.1 volts, 0 amp, 0 milliamp hours, 23.6 volts, 86 amps.
I mean, I can still see it plain as day. The camera probably can't.
23.7 volts, 33.9 amps, 346 milliamp hours, 23.8 volts, 36.1.
So it's a very calm day. 36 amps makes for a very frugal power use and good scale airspeed.
Amps, 568 milliamp hours, 23.5.
There's the faintest breeze, but not enough to make it waggle around, so it's just a perfect day for the Mig.
0.5 volts, 38.7 amps, 811 milliamp hours, 22.4 volts, 103 amps, 22.
I mean, you may not see it in the video, but it's very fractionally wavering around.
0.2 amps,
Flying across into the sun again, which is annoying.
186 milliamp hours, 22.9 volts, 41.3 amps, 22.9 volts, 38.9 amps, 1,438 milliamp hours, 2 minutes, 22.8 volts, 41.4 amps, 22.7 volts, 1,600.
We'll probably fly a tiny bit faster.
Milliamp hours, 22.6 volts, 41.5 amps, 22.6 volts, 42.6 amps, 1,940 milliamp hours, 22.4 volts, 43.7 amps, 21.6 volts, 74 amps, 2,309 milliamp hours, 3 minutes, 22 volts, 51
Slight error in
amps,
removing the down elevator as it came over. Didn't remove it quite fast enough.
Amps, 2,652 milliamp hours, 22.1 volts, 30.3 amps, 22.1 volts, 36.3 amps, 2,960 milliamp hours, 22 volts, 41.4 amps, 4 minutes, 22 volts, 39.7 amps, 3,199 milliamp hours, 21 volts, 40.6 amps, 21.8 volts, 38.8 amps, 3,528 milliamp
Capacity got
hours,
eaten up
21.
really fast all of a sudden. Well,
volts,
it's time to
30.3
back off,
amps,
gear out,
landing gear deployed, 22.
stage 1 flaps,
volts,
bit more throttle.
19.7 amps, 3,770
Full flaps, even though you don't need full
hours.
flaps on this thing.
Flap stage 1, 22.1 volts, 26.7 amps. Flap set for landing, 5 minutes, 22.3 volts.
I won't taxi it back this time. We'll keep all the numbers as per the landing,
hours, 22.
all the telemetry.
Volts, 0 amps.
Slightly, we use 3,900 milliamp hours.
Volts,
Voltage is still over 3.7 volt per cell.
7 milliamp hours. Flaps retracted, 22.6.
There's one thing, I don't know if the camera will pick up on it. The black paint has cracked. On the wing, you may just see it across this little spider web of cracks. So that'll be the landing gear shocking the plane, but the paint's a bit brittle, so it cracked. It's not a big deal, it's not that easy to see, but it's probably easier to see in person than a camera.
0 amps, 3,907 milliamp hours.